head. Really? It says keep it clean. What the heck is this? It's a Dusty Motors cover? Look at that. That's a Dusty Motors cover. What car is it for? It's for the Traxxas X-Maxx. We have an X-Maxx right there. Color is it blue? We should put it on the X-Maxx. We should do that.
So before we put on the Dusty's cover, we got to make sure we clean everything good with alcohol so that the Velcro will stick good. I just got some of these cotton things for my wife's makeup routine. So everywhere the Velcro is going to be put, I'm going to clean with alcohol. Just wanted to say, this piece goes on right there, but I'm going to cut it into two pieces because you have to put it across the cush and right there, and you're going to need to take that out from time to time. So if you went Velcro all the way across, you wouldn't be able to take it out without ruining your Velcro. So I'm going to cut that into two pieces. Okay, that was actually three pieces that I put in there. 1, 2, 3. Well, there it is. It turned out pretty good, I think. Let's see how hard it is to put a battery in with this zipper. It's a good size opening. There it is. Connect it right here. Pretty easy. This is going to make a big difference. In the wintertime, this gets full of snow. So this is going to help keep all that snow out of there. And then it's going to help keep rocks out too in the summer, which would really be nice with the rustler. We need to get a rustler, dusty cover for that rustler, because the drive shaft is exposed in there and rocks get in there, it twists around. But this is the Dusty Motors cover for the X-Maxx. And this is 3x7. Saying see you next time.
Don't forget to check us out on Instagram, 3x7 Outdoor.